Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my latest kitchen gadget that's completely transformed my morning routine, the original rechargeable coffee beater. I've been using this coffee beater personally for a while now, and it's truly a game changer. This compact and portable mixer is designed for those who are always on the go. Its rechargeable battery and USB charging feature make it eco-friendly and super convenient. No more disposable batteries. Powered by a high-speed motor, this beater quickly froths milk for your lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate, delivering a smooth, velvety texture every time. And the best part? It operates quietly, so you can prepare your favorite beverages early in the morning without disturbing anyone. With versatile attachments and variable speed settings, it's not just for coffee. Whether you need to mix eggs for a quick recipe or shake up a protein smoothie, this two-in-one gadget adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its durable construction and ergonomic design ensure it's comfortable to hold and built to last. Plus, an LED indicator keeps you informed about the charging status and battery level. If you're ready to upgrade your coffee game and bring a cafe quality experience home, check out the affiliate link in the description below. By purchasing through my link, you're not only getting an amazing product but also supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and handy kitchen tips. Happy frothing and enjoy your perfect brew.